I think this team is highly motivated. There's a lot of energy around this team. Seems to be certainty about what you're doing, exactly what you want to achieve, and how to bring people on board. You are never able to get the whole picture, and I think that this is an opportunity for us to dig deeper into what the issues are and what the various stakeholders feel about the process and how they can actually implement in a better way. We are able to bring together all the stakeholders in one room to talk about the issues in a very free manner. It's very helpful in terms of unearthing some of the things that are seeming bottlenecks. Yeah.
I think that change really starts from the mind, and shifting that mindset is really important, and that's something that we really did in our workshop here in Liberia, was helping cultivate that mindset shift, that transformation that happens when we really connect with that intrinsic motivation of each stakeholder and realize that all these change makers, no matter where they're coming from, no matter what culture they are, no matter what company they're working for or what organization they're coming from, they all really want the same thing.
This 100-day challenge approach is really working. And we really get people to collaborate with each other, to have a discussion around an issue that is of interest of all of them.
Our team member has been spending an enormous amount of time interviewing stakeholders and doing focus group discussions and understanding the point of view of every single one that's involved in the projects. So that helps us to formulate a good approach that can cater to everyone's needs.
Constant engagement, all right, is the way to go.
You have the community, you have the government, then you have the contractors. The stakeholders come together with a common goal. We can achieve a lot, especially as it relates to the implementation of the project.
Having this environment was very important. As a result, people are able to communicate and collaborate much better. And that moment was the moment I realized this workshop is a successful one.
I wish that this process can be replicated elsewhere. So my wish is that you'll be able to build this on and create a credible stream for generation of knowledge.